Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with the sale of heroin. Criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, attorney. Let's see here. I was arrested and accused of selling a gram of heroin to an undercover police officer. In 2000, I was arrested for possession of marijuana. Well, possession of marijuana back in the year 2000, I mean, for personal use, nowadays that's not a big deal. We're talking 20 years ago. Don't worry about that. Now, the selling of heroin, that's another story, because if you're caught selling heroin, that would be a violation of Health and Safety Code 11351. That is a straight felony, which means it's not reducible to a misdemeanor, that carries up to 4 years in state prison. And if you're not a U.S. citizen, this is the type of offense that would result in deportation, exclusion from the United States, and denial of naturalization. And yes, I understand that it was an undercover police officer, but if the police officer didn't do anything to push you into selling him the item, or the drug, or the heroin, or whatever, then you wouldn't really have the defense of entrapment. Of course, if he's the one who brought you, if one cop brought you the drug and then said, hey, kick me back, $50 and sell it over there for $75, and then the other cop is the one, if they created the entire thing, then yeah, you'd have the defense of entrapment. But here, you sold to somebody, you didn't even know it was a cop, you don't really have that defense. In this situation, because of such a small amount, it would be a great idea if your attorney could talk to the DA to see if there's a way that this could be reduced to an 11350 of the Health and Safety Code, which would be possession for personal use. Because it's only a gram of heroin, it would be a fair result in your case, although depending on how difficult the DA is, he could really grab a hold of that whole 11351. But really, it would be great if this could be reduced to simple possession, because that would go a long way, especially for your future. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court, call us now for a free consultation here in the San Francisco Bay Area at 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who was accused of an aggravated assault. Criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, drug attorney, drug attorneys.